Okay, today is maintenance day. I didn't like the way I had the canister for the rear brake. It was up here on the front, which is how it was on the 87 that I recently parted ways with. But no, I moved it back there. I think I like that a little better. It's where it's supposed to go. I don't know if I like this, but I guess my seat ain't gonna hurt it too much. Got to my Magura clutch. I was recommended this from the Trx250r junkie, and he's absolutely right. That is nice to have. Real smooth on the wrist, very smooth. So here's my upgrades. I come on with some new shocks that I pulled off the 87 and put on here, and damn sure give me some more travel for sure. The bike just sits higher, and then I also commandeered this rear axle and anti-fade hub nut and all that, and got that on there. It's pretty wheat. And then while I was doing all that, I also went ahead and had to have this tender looking LRD pipe. That just really went nice with this setup that I got. I polished the aluminum. This was like brushed, so I busted out my polishing kit, took care of that, and got that nice and chromed up. Oh, and naturally I had to have the roll design steering stem. I can't put the steering stabilizer on there. I don't know why it won't fit. I guess that's the difference between the 87 and the 86. Yeah, it just wouldn't fit on there, but I'm all right with it. Still looking pretty good. I did. I also took the brakes, the front brakes and everything off that bike, and put them on this one with this nice master cylinder. I also got me a new thumb throttle. And what else did I do? Oh, got the gas tank. I took that black gas tank and put it on here because it just looks so much nicer. Got my old Honda racing cap on there. And I also commandeered the front rims because they were off-centered. Makes that front a little wider. And I'm sure I took a few other things off there I can't remember. Got me a new starter switch. Paid dearly for this, but it was brand new, and man, that's nice. And whenever I get heated up, whenever I see about 175 on my thermometer there, come on with some of that fan. I'm not going to let this thing get too hot and lock up on me. So I'll go ahead and put that fan on. Really helps out. But nope, there it is. I'm gonna change the oil and did a little bit of cleaning. I had a little bit of residue on there. I hit it with my purple power. But it's looking a lot better. I'll get this thing all put back together and do some riding videos.